This is a great emergency device in a bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about this portable jump starter kit. So it comes in this nice case, which is nice and convenient for storing all the components. These are the cables. This is the power cable. It's basically a USB to USB-C connector. This is what you use to charge it. And then this is the device itself. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So right here it says portable jump starter. It's not just a jump starter, it's also a power bank and a flashlight all in one. Just a really nice emergency device. So the battery capacity is 26,800 milliamp hours. So this is a very powerful device. It can charge different devices. If you're stuck on the road or if you happen to just be out and about, you can use this to charge your devices. Right here is the opening, and it has USB-C connector, 2 USB-A connectors. This is the port where you insert your jumper cables. So another nice feature I mentioned is a flashlight. So if you hold this button down, flashlight comes on. It's kind of light outside, so I'm kind of standing over here so you can actually see it. Press it again. You can see it's a strobe function. Press it again, SOS function, and then press it again, and then it goes off. So really, really nice. Different modes of flashlight. So let me show you how it works. So all you have to do is plug this in, and you can see this flat end here. There's only one way it can go in, and you can see the flat side right here. Just push this in, and then you can see it flashing. That means it's ready to go. So you have your red and black jumper cables, and you don't have to worry about asking a stranger to help give you a jump if you're stranded. You're just self-sufficient. You can do this by yourself without needing strangers. And that's what's nice about this device. It's great for all your family members. It's great for young drivers, teenagers, college students, so you can feel secure when they're away that they'll be able to help themselves if they get stranded on the road or something like that. So that's why I say this is such a great device to have for everyone in the family that drives, and it makes even a great gift. Great graduation gifts, going off to college gifts, just new driver gifts. This is just a really great device. You want everyone in your family to have one of these. So if you're looking for a really good portable jumper cable jump starter, definitely recommend this one.